Testing our full setup for the Braze tutorial, how to set change custom attribute as conversion event. We want to make sure that advanced complex setups like this work as expected. What's up, everyone? My name is Alan, founder and consultant at For Now Marketing, and welcome to day 24 of Braze-mas 2023. Merry Christmas Eve. Before we get started, if you have any questions, whether you are currently using Braze or considering using Braze, please feel free to reach out. You can find these addresses and more in the YouTube description below. Today, we are going to be testing our setup from the previous two videos on how to set change custom attribute value as conversion event. After any sort of advanced complex setup, we always want to make sure that the setup is working as expected. So let's get started. So we already launched our custom attribute to custom event converter canvas in our previous video, and that's already running in the background for us. So let's start by testing this canvas first. So here's my user profile, and you can see that I'm at level 4, and I've already logged level up a few times from my previous test, but let's just do one more test together so we can be 100% sure how this works. So let's say I've been working hard on the game, and I've finally leveled up to level 5. And I have a webhook built that helps me log level increases in Braze. So I will run that webhook real quick. But before I run this, keep in mind that the last time the custom event leveled up was logged was 14 minutes ago. Fortunately, I can't show us this webhook page where I increased my level because my API key is exposed. But a quick refresh and you can see that I am now at level 5. And the last time I performed level up was just a few seconds ago. So imagine that this custom attribute update, the one that I just did with the webhook off the screen, comes from your backend. But this custom attribute update is what triggers our converter canvas, which we just also saw is working properly because the custom event is now logged with the converter canvas. And just to clarify, this custom event is not coming from our backend. That was the issue we were dealing with from the beginning. So we at least know that our converter canvas works. So now we are going to launch our new user level up tips push campaign. And everything is set up from the previous video. So I'm going to go ahead and launch this. I just launched the web push. You won't be able to see it, but I just got my web push and here's a screenshot. And then let's say after reading this tip, I worked harder on the game and I reached level 6, which means that our push campaign was successful because I, the recipient of this campaign, was able to perform the conversion event of leveling up after receiving this campaign. So I'm going to fire the level up webhook once more, which should take us to level 6. And that is done. I am now at level 6. And you can also see that I performed level up once more just a few seconds ago, which is the conversion event for our push campaign. Let's check out how that campaign is performing. We'll give this a quick refresh. And we see that our conversion rate is at 50%, which means it has been successfully logged. The message was sent to 2 users, and one of them, which was myself, performed the conversion event of level up, which is triggered by the custom attribute change of level from 5 to 6. That logged the conversion event on this campaign. So that brings us to the end of this series, how to set change custom attribute value as conversion event. If you watched all 3 parts, thank you so much. Happy holidays, and may your conversion rates be at 100% for all your future launches. That's it for day 23. If you have any questions, please share them in the comments. We're happy to help. If you learned something from this video, then please subscribe for more awesome Braze videos in the future. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.